Hey, fourth grade, we're going to do a science experiment today to go along with our scientific method. Have you ever wondered about gummy bears? My question, which is the first step in the scientific method, is what's going to happen to gummy bears when I put them into different liquids? After that, I have to come up with a hypothesis. So I'm going to, in my experiment, put these 4 gummy bears into 4 different liquids. I'm going to use regular water, I'm going to use sugar water, salt water, and vinegar. So for my hypothesis, I need to think about what will happen to these gummy bears when I put them into the different liquids. So for example, my hypothesis might be, I think that the gummy bears will dissolve fastest in sugar water. Now my hypothesis may be correct, and I may be incorrect. I'll have to look at my data later on to see if I was correct or not. So the next step when we're doing scientific method is we're going to gather all of our materials. So if you want to do this at home later on and stop, you're going to need 4 different cups, some vinegar, some salt, some sugar, a spoon, 4 gummy bears, and some water, and a marker to write on your cups. Now you could always use glass cups at home and maybe use like a dry erase marker that would come off later. Then the next step is I have to set up my procedure. So I'm going to take my materials and I'm going to get all of my materials ready. So for the first thing, I'm going to have to write on my cups.